Filmmaker from Brooklyn, New York. His work spans every continent and has been featured on television and in print, Discovery, Nat Geo, Vice and others. He recently returned from Mogadishu, the most dangerous city on earth, where he shadowed the heroic El Mahmoud women on their quest to clean up the streets and restore humanity to their war-torn country. I present to you Sam Hyde, 2017 Paradigm Shift. Sam.
We're just gonna kill them. 2070, future, now. What? I've been all around the globe working on cutting-edge projects of all kinds. And I'm here to ask you one question. Where are we at? Where are we? We've got all this great technology. We've got 7 billion people in the world. And according to UN projections, it's gonna go up to 50 billion people. Ideas are amazing. Ideas are like currency. Ideas are what drives the world. Ideas are what we need to get to the next stage. What? These are the challenges that tomorrow's gonna face, okay? How are we gonna get clean drinking water to 2 billion Chinese people? We're just gonna kill them. 2070, future, now. What? Most of the major cities will be replaced with vast pleasure domes, used exclusively by the Excelsiites, who are the neo-upper class, while the displaced hordes of lower-class depth grovelers will live underground in tiered cities, endlessly toiling away for nuggets of neoplasmin. 2070, future, now. What? By my calculations, we have 5 years until the world ends, unless we can start to reverse things like pollution and war. Pollution. War! These are big problems! Fix it! Now! Guys, what's the one problem right now that's not going to be around in 2070? The elderly and the disabled. Because we're just gonna kill them! Trash economy. You use cubes of trash as money. Everybody becomes rich. It's a gold rush. 2070, future, now. What? We are all world citizens living together, one social contract, one economic future. We're all tied together. There's no more individual anymore. It's just the hive. We're just gonna kill them! You're going places, kid. You're going, 2070, gay men have actually developed reproductive organs inside of their area, and a new generation of children are born from inside gay men. State-enforced homosexuality. We're just gonna kill them! 2070, future, now. What? So we looked at the data. We got robots policing the streets. 2070, we got gay marriage. Surprise, surprise, bigots, okay? Sorry, in 2070, gay people are gonna be allowed to get married. Get used to it. 2070, future, now. What? Seafloor farming. 75% of the world's surface not being used by agriculture. On the sea floor, you're gonna have sea beets, sea yams, sea cabbage. Have you ever had a sea salad? Have you ever had sea cheesy baked potatoes that blew your socks off? Because you're gonna be. 2070 coming up. By my calculations, we have 5 years until the world ends, unless we can start to reverse things like pollution and war. Pollution. War! These are big problems! Fix it! Now! We're just gonna kill them! These are the challenges that tomorrow's gonna face. Fix it! Now! State-enforced homosexuality. That's a lot of mouths to feed, and I don't think they're gonna be able to feed themselves, so we better start coming up with some robots to bridge that gap. We're just gonna kill them! But above all else, I'm a passionate, childlike innovator. I've been all around the globe. 2070, future, now. What? We are all world citizens living together with one social contract, one economic future. We're all tied together. There's no more individual anymore. It's just the hive. You're going places, kid. You're going, man, we're so screwed.